Have you been thinking of a way to change your video background as a content creator? Well, search no further, because in this video, I'll show you step by step how to do just that. I mean, stuff like this. And you can do this with just your mobile phone. So stay tuned. Hey there, my name is King Tech and welcome to Tech Media. On this channel, we make videos about tech tips and tricks, product reviews, critics, rants, and even tips on how to make money as a freelancer or a content creator. If these are topics that interest you, kindly hit the subscribe button and drop a like too as well. Being able to swap your video background to whatever background you want is a really great way to make your videos as a content creator to stand out more and be more appealing to your audience, as you can use different backgrounds for different videos. And so this is how you can do that. First step, let's find our background image. Something you should have in mind is we could either use an image or a video for our background, but in this video I'll be using an image. So let's go find our background image. There are multiple websites out there you can find high quality images or videos to download for free. Sites like pixels.com, pixabay.com. Even on YouTube, you can find some amazing background videos that you can use, and you can also use any of these generative AI to generate images with specific details, but I'll be using a website called freepik.com. So on the search bar up here, I'll search something like studio or office. If you want a beach background, you can search beach, or something like a poolside or office, whatever. You get what I mean. You are free to search whatever, just get creative. As you can see, there are multiple options here. So long it doesn't have crown icon at the top, you will be able to download whatever asset is on there for free. Now, after selecting an image, it's time to record your videos. A few things to have in mind is while recording your videos, you want to make sure you are well lit. Because we'll be removing the background, you want to make sure you are well lit so that when you change the background, it does not flow. You get me? So try and make sure you are well lit as best as you can, so your cutout will be perfect. So let's say you've done all of that and recorded your videos. Now the next thing you want to do is download this application called CapCut. CapCut is a very popular app and great app that can do a lot. So you can find it on either Play Store or App Store. Install it, and there's also a version for a computer. So if you have a laptop, you might as well just use a laptop. You would have more screen to work with. I'll show you how to do this on both mobile and desktop, but I'll start first with mobile. Now, so if you're opening CapCut for the first time, it should look like this. Now you want to hit new project, and after that you want to first select your background, the background you want to use. So I'll import that one, and now what you want to do next is slide down here and go to aspect ratio, and I want to create a reel, so I'll select 9:16 there. If you want for YouTube, you select 16:9, so 9:16 is fine for me. And then I'll select the image on my timeline here and expand it to the size I want. I usually like a little greenery, so let me just allow that pop in a little bit to make the background more interesting. So after doing that, what you want to do next is hit the back button here and then slide to look for overlay. You see overlay here. Now this is where we want to import our video. So hit overlay, add overlay. Let me look for my video and select it and click add. Just expand it. Now the next thing you want to do, as you can see, it has the original background of the video. What you want to do here is slide all the way to this other side. You see remove background. Hit remove background and hit custom removal. So here we want to select our brush, select a size, and then just paint around your subject and wait for CapCut to do its magic. Boom, as you can see, perfect selection. And you want to hit OK. As you can see, my background is gone. And you could frame it the way you want. And last thing I would like to do here would be applying a little blur to my background. So you want to hit back, and then come to effect, hit effect, video effect, and come here and search for blur. Just type out blur and hit search, and the moment you do that, we have multiple options here. So we could also tap it a second time to adjust the strength of the blur. So of course make it cooler so it doesn't look too pushy and stuff. And there you have it. Now let me show you how to do the same thing on the desktop. So if you're opening CapCut for the first time, it will look like this. Of course, hit create project and then import your video, your background. So the next thing you want to do here is drag your background down to your timeline. This whole section here is your timeline. We'll talk about video editing in proper in a future video. and then drag your video on top of your background. So let me assume this is the length I want. This is just 5 seconds, and select your video and then come right up here, hit remove background, and then hit auto removal. Remember when I said make sure you are well lit, so this merge can happen, can look very natural. As you can see, the cutout is nice. Assuming we're doing this for YouTube, so you want to come on this window here, come down here, you see ratio, hit ratio, and then hit 16:9. So adjust your background to fill it. If you're doing this for a real tool, you'd select 9:16, which is this one right here. Just a few touches to make your video more realistic. We want the focus to be on us, not on the background. What you do here is what you want to do here is come up here to adjustment and scroll way down to the base, and then push vignette to the right a little bit. As you can see, it's adding shadow. The other side to add white, so add a little bit shadow on your edges. Now as you can see, we are the focus of the frame. And last but not the least is of course our blur effect. Blur effect just removes focus on the background and focuses that on us. So search for blur up here, and then this second one, this first one doesn't have adjustment. This second one, hit the second one and drag and drop it on your background, and then come on the side and reduce its intensity so it's a bit more realistic. It just removes focus from the background and focus that on us. I mean, this is us trying to imitate what an actual camera does. And boom, there you have it. This video is ready to go on YouTube and make us famous. So I'm sure you found value from this video. Kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already. If you're having issues editing your videos professionally, even besides just changing your background like I just showed you, I'm talking professional video edit with mobile phone, watch this very next video right here. I'll show you how to do that with your mobile phone, and I'll see you there.